We recently worked with Dr Asher Siddiqi on his rebrand from his clinic Medical Cosmetics to the A Clinic, and this was a really exciting project for us to be involved in. The starting point of this project that the clinic had really recently evolved and developed and essentially outgrew its current brand and no longer reflected the quality of service that was being provided. Dr Asher is a very well-established doctor in the aesthetics industry, and the clinic offers a wide range of treatments. So for the new rebrand and identity, it was really important that we established all of this through solid branding and a brand new website. We started with the branding, creating a brand new logo and defined brand tailored to Dr Asher's experience, his credentials, and the high quality service that he offers at the A Clinic. The main aim was to move the clinic into a more luxurious and premium-led feel, all while still delivering the same quality of service that they provide, and making sure that the brand stays clean, modern, and professional along the way. A big part of how this shone through was particularly with the colour palette. We introduced some rich bronze tones, which helps keep that premium elevated feel, something that feels polished and high-end, but still very much on brand. The overall identity is really refined and simple, but it still has a really strong presence which speaks directly to a clinic like this. Once the branding was in place, we then moved on to the website. Rather than throwing everything out and starting again from scratch, we kept the foundations of the Medical Cosmetics website and did a refresh on the visuals, the copy, the colours, the images, keeping the sitemap and the informational and condition pages that we'd built over a long period of time. And this was a really intentional decision because we'd worked on the previous website for many years. We had over time built up a lot of SEO work. So what we wanted to do was essentially retain as much of that information and those pages we created and then duplicate that over to the new website. We wanted to retain that depth and keep the things that are already working and ranking really, really well, and just improving and leveling up the visuals and the look and feel of those pages. We also put a lot of thought into the user journey. One thing that works really well for this particular clinic is when patients land on their website, they have the availability to either search through a skin condition or a concern. If they are brand new to aesthetics, this might be the best way for their user journey to interact with the website. Or they can search for a direct treatment if they already know the treatment they're wanting to have, or they might be a returning customer. And this keeps things really simple, really clear, and likely for those patients to convert if the user journey is really nice to use. We've also introduced interchanging homepage banners. This clinic in particular offers lots of different monthly offers and promotions, and this means that we're able to then keep their website nice and up to date for them, and when a patient lands on their website, they're easily able to see the offers that are available for that particular month. Overall, this project was a lot more than just about making things look better. It was about creating an overall stronger brand presence to reflect the quality of service that Dr Asher provides and create a more premium digital experience for his customers so that when they land on the website, they know exactly what to expect, and that is then translated when they come to visit the clinic. The end result is a new cohesive identity that feels elevated, professional, and much more in line with what he has to offer.